This is one of the best recipes I've found online when it comes to bread, especially for those who are on either a keto diet, carnivore diet, or low carb diet. It is wonderful. And you only need four ingredients for this. What I love about this recipe is the simplicity when it comes to prepping. You just need to add everything into a blender and blend away. I had started off with some pork breadcrumbs, cottage cheese, which needs to be full fat, followed by some eggs and butter. I've added the measurements on the screen here. Please note this is not my recipe. This is courtesy or credit goes rather to Courtney Luna, who is also a YouTuber. What is your favorite recipe when it comes to low carb breads? Now, for this recipe, which I'm sharing here, I am just making a very small sample, being that I've not kind of prepped it before, so I want to see if I like it. In saying that, this is obviously past tense, as in I've already made the bread. I actually like it. I love the consistency. As you can see, it's beautiful, which tells me that the bread will come out nicely. And it had come out nicely, and I'm quite pleased about that. And there you have it. I think I like what I see, so I most likely will be making a bigger batch of this in a bread tin this time. Okay, so we're going to cut this and see what it looks like in the middle. Ideally, I should be waiting for this to cool down, but I am in a hurry in a way, and I like it when I add butter to bread which is hot, so I can just look at it or watch it melting away. So this is what it looks like having cut it into slices. Um, Not too bad. Does look like cake. I love the texture. It does have that crust which usual bread has. Then you can actually toast this, which is nice, and it'll make it taste nicer. So overall, I am quite pleased with this recipe, and I'm going to add it to my usual diet plan, really. That's it. But do wait, I do have another recipe which is very simple and similar. You're going to use all the same ingredients apart from the cottage cheese. For this recipe, we're just going to add everything into a bowl, and I've added the measurements to the screen here. We are making waffles, so it's a much thicker um, blend once you mix it together. Now, one thing I want to mention about both recipes is it doesn't taste eggy. This is what I like about it. And it doesn't, pork breadcrumb in itself, I have found has a very strong smell, but you don't smell that in both of the recipes. Um, so that's one thing I like about both recipes. I hope these will be useful to you, especially if you're on a low carb diet or carnivore diet, whichever one, or keto rather. So I hope you enjoyed. You just watch the process, and I'm quite pleased about how this waffle has come out too. So this will be a new addition for me to my recipes, really. Thank you for watching. Do have a lovely day, and please subscribe, like, comment on my channel. Thank you so much. Bye.